All right, friends, for math today, you're going to have two different tasks. You're going to match expanded form, so numbers like these, to a standard form number. We're going to build those numbers here. And you will also practice matching word form of a number to the standard form. We're going to practice both of these first. If I have an expanded form number that says 300 plus 40 plus 2, I can build a standard form of that number just by doing the opposite of what we did yesterday. So if I read this together, 342, then I know that I can write a standard form of that number that says 342. The standard form would look something like this. Remember, this is standard form. Today, your activity looks like an ice cream shop. And if your expanded form says 300 plus 40 plus 2, you would look for a scoop of ice cream that has 342. Let's try another one. This expanded form says 500 plus 60 plus 9. If I squish these together, I say 569, then that's what I write here in my standard form. 569. This is the standard form of this expanded form number. These are going to be pretty easy to see. When you get to the next set of questions, you're going to see some that have a word form. Now, when we start writing math words, sometimes they're words we haven't seen before. So I have a way for you to hear that I've read them. This number says 642. Listen again, 642. In my standard form, I am looking for the digits that say 642. So we put 642. When you get in Seesaw today and you see word forms of numbers, you can click on, down in the bottom corner, there's going to be a circle and it has quotation marks. So two little lines there. And if you click on that button and then you click on the triangle to play, it'll read the words to you. And all you have to do is find the ice cream scoop.